Here's how to find your engaged views in YouTube Analytics after the recent update changed how views are counted. YouTube now counts a view the moment someone opens a video, not after they watch a certain amount. Engaged views are a separate metric that measures viewers who actually watched and interacted with your content meaningfully, giving you a more accurate picture of real engagement rather than just clicks. Open YouTube and click your profile icon in the top right. Select YouTube Studio. On the left sidebar, click Analytics. In the top right corner of the Analytics page, click Advanced Mode. This unlocks the full dataset with granular controls. Once in Advanced Mode, click Metrics on the left side of the table. Scroll through the list and select Engaged Views. This adds the column to your view alongside regular views. You can now compare both metrics side by side for every video in your library. A tip: a large gap between regular views and engaged views on a specific video often signals a misleading thumbnail or title that attracted clicks but did not hold viewers. Use this comparison to identify which videos need thumbnail or hook improvements. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.